Photobucket is a registered trademark of Fox Interactive Media Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Fox Interactive Media Incorporated. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to add photos you find on the internet to your albums on Photobucket. If you want to, make sure you're underneath My Album and come down. It defaults to Images here, but I'm going to come over and click on Web URL. And you can paste in URLs here that you find on the web. And I'm going to go over to Google Image Search, and I'm going to run a search on lolcat. And I'm going to find a photo that I want to add to my album. I'm going to click on this photo right here, and what I can do, I can either come up to the top here if it's taking up the entire page and copy that URL, or I can just right click on the picture itself, and I'm going to click on copy image address. And when I come back over to Photobucket, I'm going to come in here, right click again and select paste, and it's going to put that picture right here. It's going to give me a little thumbnail here. You can click and add a title here as well, but I'm going to not worry about that, and I'm going to click upload, and it's going to upload that photo that I found somewhere on the web to my album. And you can add a title and description and tags just like you can with any other photo that you have uploaded at this point. I'm going to click save and continue. And anything you do with any of your other photos, you can do with this photo as well. So by doing this, you don't have to actually download a photo that you find on the internet to your desktop and then re-upload it to Photobucket. So that's how you add images that you find on the web to your album on Photobucket.